म्यूट कर लेता हूँ अभी।
A very good morning to our faculty advisor, Dr. S. Vivekanandan, our zealous participants and honored guests. IAC works under the International Society of Automation as a non-profit and technically oriented student chapter in VIT University, Vellore. Our vision is to set a standard for those who apply technology, engineering to improve the management, safety, and security of modern automation and embedded systems throughout the industry. Our function is to conduct various speaker sessions, technical sessions, events, and hands-on workshops, all in the interest of enthusiastic students to help them realize their interests and foster their curiosity.
Spark is the annual flagship event conducted by ISAVIT. It is a platform to showcase ingenuity and technical skills. The first Spark event was conducted in 2013 and has amassed large public interest among students since then. Spark 2021 includes a 48-hour hackathon called iHack, along with hands-on workshops, sessions conducted by esteemed speakers, and an assortment of various other events. We have had 2 speaker sessions by industrial experts and 1 hands-on workshop.
iHack is the cornerstone for Spark 21. It is not only a hackathon but a perfect stepping stone to ignite a creative spark in newcomers. This hack has also caters to seasoned veterans, challenging them to intertwine their creativity with their technical skills. This hack will provide you with sharp-minded mentors, a smooth hackathon experience, and the chance to win exciting prizes and goodies. We open the gates for not only skilled coders but also students, designers, innovators, and everyone with a passion to give it a shot.
Along with the hackathon, we have keynote sessions by industry professionals. Today at 4 p.m., we have Mr. Sharad Thomas who will deliver a session on DevOps tools. He will explain the many DevOps tools in existence which can be used for a variety of purposes and also elucidate the utilities of these tools. Tomorrow on the 15th, we have Mr. Harshvardhan Mishra speaking on cloud introduction to cloud computing with AWS. He has experience in development, analysis, and content writing with particular expertise in web, machine learning, and cloud technologies. He has also been a project administrator at Student Codin, Contributors Hack, Peak Love Summer of Code 20, and many more.
We are proud to present to you the esteemed judge for IHAC 21, who with their immense technical prowess would bring to you the best in participants and ensure proper and fair evaluation. We would like to give a warm welcome to Mr. Jay Sadana, founder and CEO, Script Foundation. Furthermore, we are truly honored to have him as a judge for IHAC 21. We would also like to extend a warm welcome to Mr. Ashwin Kumar Ramaswamy, Program Manager, Script Foundation. We are truly honored to have him as a judge for IHAC 21. Coming back to iHack, here are some guidelines. This is a team participation hackathon. You can have at most 5 members in your team or be a lone wolf. You can form teams among your friends or build your team in a Discord server under Team Building channel.
Please make sure you have joined the Discord server to be eligible to participate and receive all the important updates regarding the event. It's compulsory to create your teams on HackerEarth and give it a name. If you face any problems at all in the above steps, please put your doubts in the respective Discord channels and you will be helped out. The submission of entries will also be done through HackerEarth. Once the hackathon starts, you will get an option to submit your hack. You can submit as many times as you want, and the last submission will be considered as the final one.
Please follow the following rules while submitting your project on HackerEarth. Upload a GitHub repo on the dates of the Spark. Make a short demo video under 3 minutes and share the link to the video. You can make use of YouTube, Vimeo, or any other suitable platform. Please stick to the time limit of 3 minutes. Mention the track of your project. The intellectual property of a code belongs only to your team. By participating in our hackathon, you agree to the terms and conditions set by HackerEarth and IEC
All participants are requested to follow the code of conduct. If any participant violates the above rules, strict action will be taken against them by the hackathon organizers. Be kind and thoughtful to others. Do not insult or put down other participants. Any sort of harassment or abuse is not encouraged. We encourage you to submit your projects prepared during the hackathon. We are not setting any problem statements, but you are requested to stick to any one track and mention the same during your review period.
The hack focuses on the following themes: open innovation. A great idea is only as good your ability to make it happen. Do you have an amazing idea just waiting to be implemented? We are ready to provide you with a platform to try out your innovative ideas by visualizing them in section under the open innovation track.
Healthcare and social responsibility. Get ready to integrate technology with medicine to solve real life issues in the healthcare industry by brainstorming and building innovative solutions under this track.
Cryptocurrencies have been making waves ever since they were introduced to members of the online trading community. This IAC get ready to contribute your idea solution to real life problems under the blockchain and cryptocurrency technology.
Next up, the safety, security, and surveillance track. With the ever expanding reach of technology and its influence on everyday life, it is only a matter of time before technology gets intertwined with security. It is necessary that such technology be made reliable and worthy of keeping human lives secure. Let's get a grey matter to work and use these 48 hours to ensure a safe and secure future.
We also bring to you the educational technology track. In today's world, technology is incorporated in almost every aspect of lives, including education. A blend of education and technology is super important now, even more than ever. Also, so we challenge you to make a step in and innovate education.
Our final track is disaster management and mitigation. Natural and man made disasters have been a tale as old as time itself. However, with modern predictive technology and the innovations to it, we want to give our participants a platform to preemptively take action, come up with a solution, and save millions of lives.
Prizes and goodies ensure that one remains encouraged and motivated towards pursuing their dream goal. We are excited to announce that IHAC 21 will have a prize pool worth rupees 30,000 cash prizes and swags. And we hope this gives you enough encouragement to get started on a journey towards creating innovative marvels.
The team with the best project in terms of idea and implementation in iHack will be awarded with the first prize, which entails 7,000 rupees worth of cash prize, swags, mementos, and much more.
The runners-up team in IHAC will be awarded with second prize, which includes 5,000 rupees worth of cash prize, swags, and mementos.
The second runners-up team in iHack will be awarded with the third prize, which includes 3,000 rupees worth of cash prize, swags, mementos, and many more goodies.
Now, I would like to talk about the special prizes. Best Innovative Idea. The winning team gets a cash prize of rupees 1,500. All teams are eligible for this prize. The best pitch, the winning team gets a cash prize of rupees 1,000. All teams are eligible for this prize. The best special teams get a lot goodies and swags.
Let us walk you through the timeline for Spark 21. We began with two speaker sessions and one hands on workshop. On the 18th of April, Ms. Padmini Janaki, CEO of Mind and Mom and author of Myths and Millennials, delivered a technical session on artificial intelligence in healthcare.
On the 30th of April, Mr. Chahat Ahuja, a senior GPU design verification engineer based in Silicon Valley, USA, delivered a technical session on introduction to semiconductor and IC industry. On the 6th of May, Mr. Andrew Main, a creative consultant currently working with OpenAI, conducted a workshop focused on bringing technology to life with hands-on experience and applying them to several exciting fields.
Now, I would like to walk you through the itinerary of the hackathon. The first day begins today, the 14th of May. The hack commences at 1 p.m. We will be having our first technical session by esteemed speaker Mr. Sharath Thomas, who is a certified Google Cloud engineer and presently a VITM. He'll be speaking on the topic DevOps tools and their implementation, and the session will take place at 4 p.m. Review 1 shall be held from 9 p.m. onwards on the Discord channel. You'll be verified for the same. And we shall also be having recreational activities from 11 p.m. onwards.
For our day 2, that is 15th May, we have scheduled the review 2 from 1 p.m. onwards and a technical session with a speaker from the Script Foundation from 7 p.m. onwards.
On day 3, the 16th of May, note that the deadline for submission of a final project on Hacker Earth is 1 p.m. The final presentation shall take place after that, but the top teams shall compete to see who's the best. To wrap it up, the valedictory ceremony and prize distribution shall take place at 6 p.m.
IAC 21 would have not been possible without the support of our generous sponsors and partners. We would like to take this moment to recognize all of them.
In association with Geeks for Geeks, Geeks for Geeks is a portal for all programming nerds that provides loads of material on anything computer science, ranging from countless programs to loads of articles to help you out.
Education partner, Script Foundation. It gives us great pleasure to announce Script Foundation as one of our event's primary sponsors. They are an organization that helps people discover their hidden skills and develop an innovative mind. They are known to have made countless people's dreams a reality. So come and live your dream.
Technical partner OpenAI. ISAVIT is proud to announce a partnership with OpenAI. We thank them for their support through the workshop conducted by Mr. Andrew Main and by providing free GPT-3 APIs to our participants.
Platform partner, HackerEarth. IAC would not be the same without the help of HackerEarth, a platform sponsor, enabling us to host our event on the most versatile and well-suited stage a hacker could ask for.
Media partner VIT Trends. We are excited to announce our partnership with VIT Trends as a media partner. They helped us to bring our event into the spotlight and kickstarted Spark 21 for everyone.
Here's a list of other sponsors: Wolfram Language, Egghead.io, Ripple.it, Coding Blocks, EchoAR, Azure, JetBrains, Taskade, .xyz Domains, Hackathons International, and Karo Verify.
Well, now it's time to put on your thinking caps. There is no time to lose. iHack 21 has officially begun. We thank all the attendees for your support. We wish you all the best of luck and may the best hackers prevail.